everything?
Most of it, I'm gonna spend.
Okay, I got it.
It's not like you never done it before.
Oh yeah, this is simple. Okay, I did this in Prior Lake at Jay Ogilvy's house.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, heads up! Wow.
Whoa, up over at $5. I bet you have.
Ramming!
Ramming speed.
Ramming. Source propellant spray. 10 seconds. Cap it. Rotate. Align fibers. Set up spark. Prepare 250 gigawatts. Fire.
Okay, let's.
Right there. I get to shoot it again. I get to shoot it again.
Don't you? Hey, wait, we
Oh, you forgot the spray.
Oh, the spray.
Which one? The bigger? Yeah, give her some peanut butter there.
That's all.
You don't put it on the roof of the mouth like my dad used to.
It's a long time. Maybe a dealer cut.
And almost every nut in here is going to be coarse thread.
No, but what you need is a bolt.
Yeah, I know, but if once I found the nut, then I can find the bolt. See, as in the government, that's what we do in the government. You start. There's a procedure that we follow. It's a written down procedure
5 steps to get to.
that we all know. Bypass now. We're gonna try to bypass the system.
Sure you want to be operating that?
Yeah, we just had the same
What?
thought. You want to wait till the generator's out? You got two.
You know, electricity walk. Okay, let's just. Here, I'll undo this clamp.
I can hear the whole universe out there.
No sharks that circling my penthouse, hoping to make me a meal. No good
I wonder if maybe
deeds unpunished.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. So Aaron wants to install it tomorrow. got both sides here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
Yes, you first remove the fascia board from the freesia board. And then you take the trim out in order of assembly. You're actually disassembling the building in the order, factory order, it was originally assembled. Don't joke about that. Yeah, this is fine. This is why I'm here.
They don't need me. They don't need me anymore.
I don't know what's going on. I'm brainless.
There she goes!
There's our new window in the bedroom. Hi, Brian.
Except it all looks crooked.
No, it'll be okay because we're gonna fix it with the trim.
Old spring opening was a little early this year, huh?
A bit early for us carpenters.
Yeah, we opened up a little early this year.
It's gonna be 85.
Sitting on the park bench, eyeing little girls with bad intent. Starts running down his nose.
I can't help it, I just tell